Let's get you caught up on COVID. Quite a bit with the virus making headlines this evening. Here's a look at the latest numbers. Texas has 19,598 confirmed cases today. That is the third highest since the pandemic began, and nearly 400 new deaths. The city of Houston itself is reporting more than 1,500 cases today and 4 deaths. And today, state health officials confirmed a more contagious variant of the new coronavirus first discovered in the UK is now in Harris County. It is the first known case in Texas as well. Adam Bennett shows us why local leaders are assuming there are more here.
The first one we know of.
But County Judge Leah Hidalgo says we should all assume this is not the first case of the variant in Harris County. That's because this 30-something-year-old man had no travel history. Now he's quarantining. Public health officials are identifying, notifying, and quarantining that man's close contacts. Even though that patient lives outside city limits, Houston officials are assuming that variant is already in their city.
The good news is that this variant does not appear to make people any more ill. It spreads more easily, but doesn't make any people any more ill. So that's good news. The other good news is, and having double checked again today with some of our vaccine experts, they have every reason to believe that the vaccine that is being distributed here in the United States will in fact work just as well against the new variant as the predominant strain of vaccine that's been across the United States. So
Mayor Turner said city staffers are still working to open a vaccination super site, but he says that won't happen this week because Houston Health Department is still waiting on more doses from the state. Still, there will be a smaller vaccination clinic at Minute Maid Park this weekend, but only for people that already have appointments. Adam Bennett, KHOU 11 News.
They can't come soon enough, the vaccines that is. In the meantime, to learn more about vaccines, how to sign up and distribution, just text the word vaccine to the number on your screen and we'll send you updates right to your phone.